Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying hardware and software. Check that your keyboard supports RGB and that BIOS backlight is enabled. Once done, download the vendor lighting utility or open RGB and install the matching keyboard driver. Make sure to run the app as administrator. You should plug the laptop into power so brightness and effects aren't limited, and close other lighting apps to avoid conflicts. Now launch the lighting app and confirm it detects the keyboard. This is the moment you start configuring colors. You now build the rainbow. Select a rainbow preset or create a gradient layer across keys, then adjust speed and direction so the motion looks natural. Make sure to tweak brightness and per key hue values so colors blend without clipping. Lower brightness if colors look washed out. Once you like the pattern, create profile slots, set hotkeys, and link profiles to apps or games. Finally, export your configuration and test transitions between profiles to ensure seamless behavior during use. You finish by enabling auto start so your rainbow runs at boot and save a backup profile to cloud or local storage. Once done, test effects in several apps and while unplugging and replugging power to confirm persistence. If colors stutter or no effect appears, make sure to update the keyboard driver, reinstall the lighting app, and check for firmware updates. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset the keyboard firmware to defaults, then reload your profile. This often resolves detection and layering conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.